Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Thank you for joining us. We're in the 30s and 40s across western Montana right now, aside from Great Falls. Yet again, 58 degrees out there, a little bit of a south breeze keeping us a little bit warmer. Most of eastern Montana in the low 50s right now. We could potentially cool off into the upper 40s still as the morning heads on, but a little bit of wind off the Rocky Mountain front and the Big and Little Belt Mountains. That's a south wind of 15 miles an hour in Great Falls compared to no wind in Helena. That's why we're a little bit cooler. An inversion has set into the valley. Nothing on the radar aside from a few light rain showers into the Canadian Rockies. We're not really going to be dealing with any sort of rain here over the next few days. Here comes a cold front off the Pacific around Friday morning into Helena, Great Falls. Not going to bring any rain. We could start the day off partly cloudy, but after that, we're mostly sunny. We're going to be sunny for the next couple of days here and even into the weekend. A Chinook arch cloud on Saturday could make north central Montana a bit cloudy, and then another storm system coming in Monday and Tuesday. Thankfully, it is going to be an extended period of warm and dry temperatures, and we will take any rain we can get across western Montana, starting out with some isolated thunderstorms on Monday, converting over into scattered to widespread storm activity on Tuesday. It will also be a bit breezy over the next couple of days in north central Montana. 10 to 20 mile an hour wind gusts today possible. Tomorrow, a little bit more of a potential for some windy conditions off the Rocky Mountain front. Take a look at Glacier, Babb, Browning, 20 to 30 miles an hour. Still about 10 to 20 in Great Falls. We're going to be dealing with inversions in Helena over the next couple of days, so likely not as windy here. So here's today's highs. Will be in the 80s for most of the state. It is going to be a really warm day, 10 to 20 degrees above average in Great Falls, 1 degree away from 90 degrees. Yes, it still feels like summer out there in some portions of the state, and that's going to be the case through the end of this week under sunny to mostly sunny skies with highs in the 70s and 80s across the board here. But again, stormy weather does return towards the beginning of next week, where we'll have some thunderstorms isolated on Monday, becoming a little bit more widespread towards the end of the middle of next week.